Okay, I thought I'd give you a close-up. So this is what I'm working on. I'm gonna next do the trim here, both sides of the window, and this one. I'm gonna give this one here another coat, same way here, and the same way on this window, another coat on the green. And then we're gonna go up. I'm not ready for this one yet, because we have to take the storm window out and do all that work. So it's good that the porch is here. This is the place to put our ladder. You still have to be really careful. It's a long ways up. So just to give you a little background, originally when we purchased the house, this was hidden. This was behind the asphalt shingles. So we were pleasantly surprised. We were hoping something was here because it seemed like they would have put some design on the ends. And sure enough, they did. That was here. It had fallen on the ground during a storm, and thank goodness someone picked it up and saved it, so I was able to rebuild it. And you can look back on a video about that. And the window, this is a kind of a decal type of thing. And it was on there, and we liked it, and went with it. That's in the video too. A couple years ago, though. That's the thing, I did all this work a couple years ago, and then never came back to it. I got sidetracked on other projects, probably the roof. So finally, I was getting different colors out today, and I thought, why don't I just get the ladder up there and try to get this done. So I'm going to put green on next, and I thought I would do it right here, here, and here, and then maybe down here, here, and over there. I need to finish that up. I forgot that on the last color. So that I have all done. So that all is going to stay. I tried to get the best I could. It's a long reach up in there. You got to be careful. And it's, for me, it's very important if you can paint with both hands, because you want to keep your weight centered on the ladder, and that way you have good reach on both sides. Especially here where the window is, I can't put the ladder there. Okay, so I mean, I wish I could get my lift in here, but it's too far away, and we got power lines right here, so it's just not a good idea, and it's just a long trip too. Okay, let's get the green, and it's probably going to give it a different feel, adding that other color to it. And I think that might be the last color. Yeah, I might do the last 6 pieces. Or maybe I got 7 spots in green, or 8. Yeah, maybe 8, because I still have this one here too. And then I'll maybe do a little touch up, and I need to go get that color again too. And then let's move on to another area. Future project right here, doing that roof, but we'll come at that later. So for right now, let's try to finish off this end. It's really cool design here.